Hello friends, today we are going to know about CS Card Credit Europe Bank Virtual POS Payment Integration. With the help of this add-on, you can integrate Europe Bank with your CS Card store and allow your customer to pay in installment for the purchase of any product on your store. And it makes their checkout experience quite fast and secure as it supports the 3D secure payment. Let us see how to configure this add-on in your CS Card store in our live demo. First of all, we need to upload and install this add-on. For that, you need to go to add-ons and click on this manage add-ons. Now click on this plus button to upload and install and browse the zip file for Credit Europe Bank and click on upload and install. Once the add-on get installed successfully, you will be able to view this add-on over here. Here it is, Europe payment. Let us now configure a payment method for this Europe payment. For that, you need to go to this administration and click on this payment methods. To add a new payment method, you need to click on this plus button. Here you can give a name to the payment method. Let us give a name as Europe POS Payment Gateway, and the processor for this will be Europe Payment Gateway. As you can see that there are two processors, one for inline and one for outside card avatars payment with installment. Let us configure both one by one. Let us start with the inline payment processor, and the template will be selected automatically as per the inline. The cc.tpl will be the template file for this processor. Let us now configure this. Here you need to enter the credential for Credit Europe Bank. The first one is client ID, next is username, password, currency code for which you want to accept the payment. The currency code will be required over here, and API post URL. These all values you can get from the Credit Europe Bank portal. And the next option is to choose the transaction type, whether you want to keep the transaction type as auth, pre-auth, post-auth, void or credit. You can select it as per your business needs. Next is to set the order status for successful transactions and for the failed transaction. If you want to enable 3D secure feature, you can enable it by checking this box, and then you will be able to view that further fields are available for this 3D secure payment. For that, you need to enter the store key, store type, 3D post URL, and you need to select the language at your store. Once you are done with these configuration settings and you have filled all the credentials, you need to create this payment method by clicking this create button. And for outside as well, you need to click on this plus button. Let us add a new payment method for Europe Bank outside. Next, if you see that the template for outside is available as cc Europe payment outside.tpl, and the processor for this will be as we have seen for outside. This is outside payment Europe payment gateway. Now to configure this, click on this configure button, and again you need to enter the credential for the Credit Europe Bank, which includes client ID, store key, store type, 3D post URL. And next you need to enter the currency code in which you want to accept that payment. The next option is transaction type. Again you need to select that desired transaction type from here, and you can select the language. And here in the outside payment processor, there will be an option to choose the installments. If you want the customer to show the installment on payment page, then you can select it as yes. And if you want the customer to be able to view the installments at the checkout page, then you can add no over here. And if you select yes, then you need to choose the maximum number of installments available for the customer. Let us say if I fix it as 6, then maximum 6 installments will be available, and which will be available and viewable on the payment page only. The next is the order status for the successful payment. You can set the successful payment status, and for failed payments you can set the order status. And to create this, you can click on this create button. Once you are done with these configuration settings, your customer will be able to view the payment option at front end. Let us see the payment option available at front end. For inline, there will be an option to view the card vintage payment options, and here the customer can enter the card details and fill the details and submit the order. The order will be placed successfully. Let us now see how the outside payment processor works. This is my outside payment processor, and if you have enabled the option to view number of installment and checkout page, then installments will be available over here, and customer will be able to select the number of his installments, and then he can proceed. And if he submits the order, he will be able to view this credit euro bank payment page, and at this page he will be able to view the name of the merchant to whom he is paying, the country of the merchant, and here he need to enter the card details and click on this submit button. Once he submits, the order will be placed via European credit POS bank. And this is all about my POS credit euro bank integration with CS card. Thank you so much for watching.